AI tools are everywhere, but most people don't know which ones actually work or how to use them properly. Welcome to TOOLGENIC HUB, the channel where AI tools become real skills. At TOOLGENIC HUB, you will learn AI tools that actually save time. This channel is dedicated to teaching practical AI tools for productivity and content creation. No hype, no confusing jargon, just clear step-by-step tutorials you can apply immediately. We will cover AI tools for writing, images, videos, automation, and workflows to create more. TOOLGENIC HUB is for freelancers, students, and beginners who want to work smarter with AI. You don't need technical knowledge. If you can use a browser, you can use these tools. Expect tutorials, tool breakdowns, comparisons, and complete AI workflows. Also, expect tutorials on faceless content creation using AI. If you want to master AI tools and create faster, subscribe to TOOLGENIC HUB. New videos every week.